If you want your company to be successful in the modern marketplace, you've got to have a professional website. Your website is the backbone of your business, supporting all of your digital marketing efforts. Before trying out a new business or service, many people now turn to the internet to make an informed choice about their purchase. This makes having an online presence essential for business success in the modern economy. Today, we'll discuss the importance of a website for your business success and what you need to know about getting started with a professional website for your business. But before we continue, if you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Number 6. Your customers expect it. Taking upon the previous point, your tech-savvy customers expect you to have a website to find more information about your business. As for you, your website can help you generate business, increase brand recall value, promote goodwill in front of customers and target audience, as well as deliver strong marketing messages. Think of it this way: your website delivers your marketing message 24 hours, 365 days in a year. Apart from e-commerce websites, most professional websites are information-oriented and try to solve visitors' pain points. Number 5. It saves you money in the long term. Although the cost of designing a website varies depending on your needs and your skill level, once it's up and running, a professional website is worth the initial investment, especially if built in WordPress, which enables you to add and change your own content regularly, saving you money in updates. Compared with the cost of traditional means of advertising such as newspaper ads, radio commercials, promotional material, and even networking events that often include the cost of a meal or trade tables, when you consider the potential market you can reach with a website, it's a very cost-effective way to promote your business long-term. Even if your skill levels are slim to none and you need to continually pay your website designer developer to maintain and update your website for you, the upkeep costs are still lower than ongoing traditional marketing, and the investment is certainly worth the number of potential customers that will find your business online each year. Saving money is definitely a great reason why your business needs a professional website, but there are several more reasons. Number 4. Position yourself and stay in control of your brand. A website acts as a platform for your messaging and shapes the online perception of your business in a way that your social media channels cannot provide. The platform allows you to position yourself in the market to get the exact type of customers you're looking for. Many business owners have been reviewed online, sometimes unknowingly and/or negatively. How does this affect you? 79% of users who read online reviews believe them. Combat that negativity by posting your own positive testimonials. Number 3. You can benefit from Google searches. Having a website can also get into Google search listings, thus making it easy for clients to find you. Now, one thing you might be wondering is, how does it matter? Here's how. Back in the old days when clients had to do business with a company, they used to do a detailed background check and contact every previous client to ask about you. Finally, only after they were sure, they moved ahead. But the times have changed. Clients have become smart. They no longer want to waste time running background checks. Instead, they prefer searching on Google. In fact, this is the very first thing they do after they hear the name of your brand. Now, if you have a website and have done its proper SEO, it will come to the top searches of Google. Apart from this, people will also be able to find you by using other keywords related to your business. This makes you more popular among folks, and more people are willing to do business with you. Number 2, tracking your success. When owning a self-hosted website, an entrepreneur can add useful third-party analytics to track the online business performance. There is quite a number of tracking instruments, from the free and powerful Google Analytics offering tons of data to the paid services like Crazy Egg, generating heat maps to visualize visitors' activities on the website. Detailed analytics let the business person determine the strong and weak points of the business to make some tweaks in order to improve the site's conversion rate. The website owner has all the controls over the content, design, and layout to make necessary adjustments based on a great deal of metrics and insights revealed by integrated analytics tools. Number 1. Demonstrating professionalism. An expertly built website is an essential part of the modern business brand and one of the most valuable tools that help entrepreneurs use the full potential of their ventures. Moreover, today's websites can be equipped with features that add value to your business and help better convert the internet traffic into sales. Businesses that have nice-looking websites inspire trust and are more competitive on the market. A solid entrepreneur simply cannot make a client trust his or her business today without a high-quality web presence. By having a professional website designed, the entrepreneur shows he or she cares about his or her brand and business reputation. Adding more functionality to the site will make the company stand out from the competition. It is about how the online face of the business looks to customers living in the digital era. A business without a website cannot project a compelling and trustworthy image. A reliable brand cannot be built with only social networks or with some cookie-cutting website. It's hard to find a successful company that does not owe at least a part of its success to its professional web presence that includes a high-quality custom website. We believe everyone should have the chance to create a website and grow their online presence, regardless of whether you're a total beginner or a time-pressured entrepreneur. If you are looking for a high-quality and innovative web design, The Real Rebel could be one for you. They have a very talented and experienced team which will cater to all your requirements. The Real Rebel provides a number of computer services and will design your website at affordable prices. And that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button before leaving. Thanks for watching.